Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello everyone. In this problem we are given that the manufacturing company received an invoice which is dated on April 9 with the items 1 by 10 and n by 30, and the amount stated on the invoice is $2,536. Now in the first part of the question we need to find the last day for taking the cash discount. So the discount will be available when the payment made within 10 days of invoice date. So with this value we found that, and with this we can say that the last day for taking the cash discount is 10 days from April 9, so it is April 19. Now let us move on to the next part of the question, where we need to find the amount due if the invoice is paid on the last day for taking the discount. So here the total invoice amount which is stated as $2,536, and on the last discount day so its discount is 1%, so it is 25.36. so its total will be its difference will be 2,510.64. so the amount due will be $2,510.64. So this is the required answer. I hope you found the answer useful. Thank you.